So the main function of club texting is sending group text messages. When you are sending your messages, you'll send to a single group, to multiple groups, and or a single contact. So of course the first question that comes to mind is, what is a group? Well, a group is just a subset of your contacts list. So if you wanted to separate your contacts so you could send them more targeted messages, you could absolutely do so by creating different groups and then adding your contacts to those different groups. So let's take a closer look at the groups page and what you can accomplish there. So when the page loads, you'll see a listing of all of your groups, shown alphabetically. And to the right of the group name, in parentheses, you'll see the number of contacts within that group. From this page, we can send a text message, we can edit the group name, and we can even view all of the contacts held within that group. Another option is to delete the group, and it's important to note that when you do delete the group, you're not deleting the contacts from your contact list. All the contacts will either revert back to the other groups that they are in, or they'll go to the contacts not in groups group. So one of the features of the groups page is the ability to see the contacts within each of your groups. So by clicking on the contacts icon, you'll be taken to a contacts display, which will show all of your contacts. If you have their first and last names associated with them, then you'd be able to view those as well. And what's unique to this page is going to be the source column. This is going to designate how the contacts were added to your contact list. Web interface denotes the contact was manually added. Incoming means they texted a keyword to join your group. Widget means they entered their contact information in one of your widgets and submitted it to your account. And then upload refers to the contact being uploaded directly into the group. From this page, we can also remove any contacts we do not wish to be in the group anymore. And just like when we delete a group, the contacts will not be deleted from your account. They'll just revert to any other groups they're already in, or they'll be added to your contacts not in groups group. So one last thing with groups that I want to show you is how to add a new group. You'll simply click on the Add a New Group option, and you can enter whichever group name you like. Now, the group name has absolutely no bearing on the functionality of your account itself, nor does the notes. It basically just allows you to, at a glance, know what contacts are held within that group. So once we save the changes, we'll be taken back to the main groups display page. So as you can see, it's 0 contacts in the Alberts group, so I'll be sure to have to set up my widgets, set up my keywords, and of course gain any other contacts so that we can add them directly to that group.